everyone, it's Holly. I am here today to share a room tour of the Hilton Garden Inn located in Lone Tree, Colorado. I have stayed at this hotel before, and not only did I find it a very comfortable stay, but I also found it very reasonably priced. Let's get into it right now and share with you what my room looked like in this hotel. I had a room with a king-size bed. However, if you were to get a room with 2 queen-size beds, it'll be the same size and offer the same things. Obviously, you can see there is a big king-size bed in here with dual nightstands. The bed was very soft and comfortable, and the comforter I found was also very cozy. Just a unique duvet that they had on their beds. There is a chair in the corner for reading, and then, of course, there is a desk for getting work done. Say if you are traveling for business. I actually stayed here and got a lot of work done myself. You can see that there are plugs in the light here. Unfortunately, there was no USB plugs. I think that a lot of hotels are trying to add them more, but this one had not upgraded. Then, of course, there is a TV with a full dresser where you can put your things if you're staying for a while. There is also this little kitchenette here that has your ice bucket, supplies. It's really nice that there is a Keurig coffee maker, and they will have some coffee, regular decaf, as well as tea. If you run out, they will provide you with more at the front desk. There is a mini fridge down below. Then there is a cabinet and drawer here if you're going to stay for a while and want to put away some snacks. Up above here is your microwave. Then over here in the closet area, looks like they had put in a unit so that way you can have some extra drawers. Definitely a place to put things like your shoes and miscellaneous stuff when you are traveling. I know my husband likes to put things away when he stays in hotels. I am fine just keeping everything in the suitcase personally. They actually have these soft closing drawers, which is kind of cool. They have a place for your iron, your ironing board. On the opposite wall, there is a large stand-up mirror, which I am always a fan of when I'm staying places. And the bathroom is pretty standard, nothing exciting about it. They do have nice granite countertops. They provide you with some soaps, shampoos, the basic stuff here, your towels. And the room I got just had the tub and shower combo. And I really appreciate how clean everything was, because I like to take a bath every night and I want a nice clean bathtub, and I found this whole bathroom in general was very clean. On the back of the door there is a hook. Another feature that the room had that I really appreciated was the shades they had on the window here. They have this shade here that dims the light, so that way you can just have the privacy without taking out all of the light in the room. And then there is the actual blackout shade that you can pull down over that. And this really helped when the sun was setting, so it didn't come blaring into the room. If I had an east-facing room, it would have been great to block out that early sunrise as well. Another feature I wanted to point out is that this hotel is right off of I-25, very convenient, but it is soundproof. You're not going to hear the cars roaring by. It also shares a parking lot with Hacienda Colorado, which is a really good Mexican restaurant, so it gives you a great dinner option. I also wanted to mention that the hotel has a hot breakfast option that you can get with your stay. I, however, did not get the hot breakfast. It wasn't included with the rate I was going through, but it did look like it was a good option if you wanted to have breakfast there. There's also a lot of snacks that they sell there. And then right next to the lobby here, there is a lounge with a lot of great places to just sit and relax, as well as outdoors. There is a nice outdoor seating area. Well, that is it. That is my room tour of the Hilton Garden Inn located in Lone Tree, Colorado. I hope that it gave you a good understanding of what this hotel looks like if you are looking for a clean, comfortable hotel, yet reasonably priced in South Denver. This video is not being sponsored by Hilton Garden, but if you do want to support my channel, I would appreciate you liking this video, writing a comment below, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I post a new video every Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a beautiful day.